Hey beauties, it's Rachel, and today I'm going to talk to you about our HD Volumizing Mascara. Before I start, let's talk about our mascara. So it lengthens, thickens, defines without clumping. While mascara is a preference, I like to go in with 2 coats. For the first coat, I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes. Now I'm going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to take the brush and go over my bottom lash line because I like them to have definition as well. Now for the second coat, I'm going to take the brush and wiggle my lashes to add more length and dimension. So of course, mascara is a preference and you can do less or more, but because our mascara is non-clumping, you can do as many layers as you want. If you have sensitive eyes or think you're allergic to mascara, there's no need to worry because our formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and has non-irritating ingredients. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tips on how to use our mascara, a little bit about the ingredients, and I really hope you go and try it for yourself. Bye beauties, see you next time.